Hello there, guys. I have a really bad throat and a stuffed nose. So if I do sound a bit weird, it's probably because of that and because I am recording on my webcam. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Graveyard Girl because she has inspired me to make this video, and she has made quite a few paranormal experiences videos, and that's that's what I'm making. I've had quite a few in my house, like not that many, but I've had quite a few, and I'm just gonna focus on the ones I've had in this room at the moment. Actually, yeah, the ones that I've had in this room. There are a couple, but there isn't that many. Okay, so I'll do it in order of what happened. So the first one, my laptop charger actually was lifted. It lifted a bit. So my desk is like here. My laptop charger was sitting on it, and the laptop charger was lifted to about there. And then it was like chucked back down, and it made a really loud bang. And yes, that happened. And then a few days, I want to say, this did happen quite a while ago. But no, I think it was a few days afterwards. I was lying in my bed and I was sleeping, and then I suddenly woke up, and it was about 3:30 in the morning, and I just woke up out of nowhere. So I just woke up and I looked straight forwards to the end of my bed. I looked straight forwards to the end of my bed, and there was this. Like, my room was dark, obviously, because it was 3:30 in the morning. But there was this bright light at the end of my bed, and it was like a woman. Feel it coming. And then it was like all fine till about 2 weeks ago, and I am a Wiccan, and I do have protection crystals, healing crystals, like different types of crystals. And my friend had given me an amethyst necklace. I'll get it. It's amethyst, and amethyst is protection. It feels really cold actually. I don't know why. It's protection crystals, and I came home. And I had it in my hand like that, like how we always hold it, and I wrap it around my hand. And I was holding it. And I was just looking at it, looking at every little detail, and from the wall, I heard banging. No, not banging. It was like knocking. And then after this knocking, there was a voice, and the voice said, "They will not protect you." It was a very deep voice. It wasn't like a demonic voice. It was like a raspy, deep. It was a male voice. And I went to school, and I was talking to my other Wiccan friend about it, and I was saying, well, like, I was explaining it all to her, and I explained the whole story, and she said, well, whatever it was, it must have known about crystals when it was alive. Yeah, I believe that it probably did. Else how would it know that it was like protection crystals? And we was talking about it for ages, and I just thought, well, maybe it's not, maybe it wasn't trying to hurt me, it wasn't trying to tell me, oh, I'm going to do something really bad to you, and they won't protect you from it. Maybe it was trying to tell me that, something else might hurt me in the future, and to maybe get more protection crystals than just this, because like a bigger amount of protection crystals would do more protection. So like I have like for Christmas, she's got me some gems, like some protection crystals, other types of crystals. And she's got me some healing crystals. So she's got me those for Christmas. And yeah, so I've had a couple in this room. That's all of them, I think. I think that's all of the ones I've had in this room. Like the one with the woman, it was like a woman figure. It was like you could see. It sounds like this is total BS, but it's not. I swear to God, it looked exactly like my nan. It had curly hair. It was cut very short, and like my nan, she had very big boobs. She had very big breasts, and you could see how it came from the neck, narrow shoulders like that, and then like underneath, you could see where the boobs came out like that, very slightly, and then went in, and then the hips weren't very big. The hips were quite little and petite, like my nan's were, and she was wearing a skirt, and my nan wore a skirt. It was the same skirt that my nan wore for her wedding, and I'd seen it in a picture of her at her wedding. So it was the same skirt. And you can just tell by the way the lights were shining in different places for the patterns, and the shape of it, and how it flowed. And it was a bright light, and then it just faded very slowly. It was a bright light for about 10 seconds, and then within another 10 seconds it had gone, and it had faded down to nothing. And that I had that experience a couple of times. But I don't really worry about it, because I do like actually believe it's my nan, and I've got this knotted. Well done, Ella. Okay. I do actually believe it's my nan, because like I know it's the skirt she wore for her wedding, and like I know that was my nan, but I don't know what the voice was. I don't know what anything else was. My nan was not violent in any way. She wouldn't have like slammed down a charger. She wouldn't do it to get my attention. To get my attention, she would have said my name. So it wasn't anything to do with that, but yeah. So I just thought I should tell you. And yeah, so like go to Graveyard Ghost Tunnels. It's about GAV3GIRL. And all of the videos are really interesting, and I really think you should go and check her out. She has way better videos than me, way better quality as well. But it is Christmas Eve, and it is at 20 to 10, so I have to go to sleep. So I can so Christmas comes early, and then I can wake up and open all my presents and spend time with my family, and then after that it's my sister's birthday. But yeah, I really need to go, so bye.